So guys, I've decided that I'm going to go and get some gardening things. I think I need to relax and just give some self-therapy. So I'm off with all these kids, with 3 of my kids. Wish me luck. Oh, these are nice. I always like these. This is for me. I really like this. Me and Bubba saw this the other day.
Yeah, same.
And I really like it. You know what? It's the biggest B&M I've been in. Right, oh, that's where we wanted to go. And here actually, hold on. So guys, as you know, I went to the range first because I had to pick up some spray paint for a project, and then I went to, where did I go? B&M. Now B&M, I was so surprised. It's in East Kilbride, just outside of Glasgow, and it was a massive. The last time I went to B&M, which was in Leighton in London, it's twice the size of that. So I was so happy to see it. It's the first time I've gone into B&M in the one in East Kilbride, so that was super awesome, and it's very new as well. Then we got stuck in traffic and we went to B&Q, and there was a very long line in B&Q, as you know, and oh my god, there were no plants, even in B&M as well. There were hardly any plants left. All the good plants had actually disappeared. B&M had one small lavender plant for £5, and I regret it why I didn't pick it up, because when I went to B&Q, the same thing, but much in a nicer pot, but it's for about £25 or something. And I was like, okay, well, I've got to buy so many things. It's the end of the month as well. Let me not buy that now. But I was really disappointed in the supply of plants, because I think everyone is just doing gardening. Anyhow, and then we went to Lidl, and Lidl, I spent about another £20 there, and bought some bits and pieces for the home, like for the fridge, some sugar and some buns and things like that. But I also picked up a plant that I'm going to show you, and I was really happy with that, considering I didn't get anything from B&Q and B&M in regards to plants. So I'm just going to show you the things I picked up. So I picked up this from B&M. I just switched the camera around. I picked up this from B&M. It's a Fabulosa. I'm going to open it up and see what it smells like. Raindrops, this one is called. Okay, this smell. You know what this smells like? Do you remember Chewits, the blackcurrant Chewits? If anyone's had them, I don't even know if they're meant to be able to have them. They're not vegetarian or not, but this one says it's suitable for vegan. But it reminds me of Chewits, the blackcurrant version, and apparently it's Raindrops. But I also picked up Zoflora Twilight Garden because it's summer. I thought I've got winter spice. I ran out of Zoflora, do you believe it? So I thought I'll pick up another Zoflora. Let's smell this one. Oh, this is so nice. It's so peaceful and fresh, like a garden. Oh, this is lovely. Twilight Garden, Zoflora. Okay, can't wait to use that. Okay, then my kids picked up this. It's actually quite nice. And she picked up a pen, some more pens. This is the paint that I was talking about. And from B&M, we also picked up these Lotus Biscoffs with Belgian chocolate. And then, okay, so then also, did I pick this up? Oh, this I picked up from the range. It was about £2-3, not long. So I need one of these. So, and then I picked up a bunch of bulbs. These were in B&Q for what it says 3 for £7 or £3 each, but they were for £1.50. When I got to the cashier, I was like, oh, did they go through for 3 for £7? She's like, they've gone for £1.50. I was like, even better. So I have bought one peony, and I'm regretting it. I should have bought, if they were £1.50, I should have bought 2 of them. One calla lily. I bought two of these. And then I bought oriental lilies and some gladioli. Right, and that's my Zan clock gone. And one more peony. Guys, I also picked up this tomato plant from B&Q. Please ignore the dogs, and they are really barking today. But I thought it was a nice big tomato plant. I don't have time to plant from seed at the moment, but I thought I'd just give this one a go as well. And then I bought this from Lidl, would you believe, for £7 from Lidl. And look how big it is. It's really big. Now, I bought this, oops, camera's going. I bought this fork from B&Q. This was for £7.99, I think. And this lawn edger, I bought this for a couple of quid from the range. They didn't have anything else in the range in B&M except for the trimmers and things like that. But that's what I bought. And what I'm going to do is, I've got this pot. I'm going to line it up in this pot here. The big plant, the fuchsia tree. So yeah, that's what I got. So it says full partial sunlight. Let's water it. It should ideally go in a pot. So don't know how much you can see. It's left over. That's my so it's got like a support thing going on. Come clip that. So I'm not going to take this off, I'll just cut it off later. What I want to do is just gently. Now I'm going to get my fingers, just gently loosen up some of these roots, very gently. They seem really tightly packed and just rubbing it from the bottom. So it's sort of holding it as well. Right, I don't think I can do much more. Right. Right. Have to dig back in. Fill up the side. in. These are broken. You just take them off. Right. Fix this one as well.